I hold it down like a Snapchat, go over your head like a snapback, uploaded a pic, double tap that, and your flow so old, granddad. Bruh.
I got to go, I need to go, I got to go,
Well, hello there my babies, welcome back to another get ready with me video. I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing my face, and I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. You guys know this is like my holy grail, my cocaine. Okay, no it's not. No, scratch that. Ignore what I just said. I don't know what I just said, but now I'm gonna go ahead and start priming my face, and I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. You guys don't see, this primer is too matte for my face, y'all. It's way too matte, so I usually go in and I spray with like a Fix Plus to hydrate my face back, because y'all know my face is like super duper dry, but I had to use that primer because I bought it. Shit, I'm not just gonna let it sit there. I have to use it. So now I'm gonna go in with my Pro Filter, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in the shade 420. I did get this shade, you guys. It is on point. I used to use the 430. Still gonna be using that because I spent money on that. So y'all gonna be seeing me going back and forth with those two foundation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start concealing. I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 40. I am so in love with ColourPop concealer, you guys. It is really good. Like, if it's not my LA Pro concealer, this one is my second option, because it's super affordable and it just gets the job done. I feel like the affordable concealers are usually the best ones compared to the other concealers that are like 30-40 bucks. Well, I don't know if a concealer is 40 bucks, but I don't know. But the more high-end concealers are like not that great, but the low-end ones are usually the best. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring, and I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso. Y'all know how I feel about this foundation stick as a contour. I love it. It is super creamy and it just blends in really well. Now the key of getting that flawless skin when doing your foundation and highlighting and contour is just blending. This is honestly my favorite part. I do not like playing with eyeshadow like that. You guys could, I don't know if you guys could tell by now, but I like playing with eyeshadows, but I don't like playing with eyeshadows like that. I'd rather just do a really flawless beat face and have the eyes looking super natural and neutral. That is just my my way to go with makeup. But since I have so much palettes, I just, you know, might as well use it and play around with them. So now I'm gonna set my, where I highlighted with my Revolution baking powder in Banana. You guys know I love the Sacha Buttercup's setting powder, but y'all, I think this one is good too. It's just too bright. Not just too bright, it's like really white in my opinion. I like the Sacha. Maybe I need to mess with this a little bit more and see how I feel about it, but it's not bad. It did, you know, set where I concealed, that's for sure. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set around my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I just set my face with this, and then I go in with I go in and I set where I contoured. I like that step better. I feel like I get that flawless, I don't know, I like it. I don't know, I get that flawless look that I'm going for. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set where I contoured with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze, and I'm just gonna bronze my skin with this. Love this stuff, it's super good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm grabbing those two shades that I just showed you guys. Don't have the palette on me right now, but I'm gonna list what eyeshadows I used down in the description box, so you guys make sure you check that out. I'm just using this as a transition shade. I love this, well, in particular these two shades as a transition shade. Oh my god, that is like super hard for me to say. It's like a tongue twister, but I'm just using that as a transition shade. Why am I even trying? So we're just gonna use that, okay? Then I'm gonna go in and use like that red eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. Now, okay, I don't know how to say this, but this palette is really good, but like for some reason I planned on doing this look. Like I seen this girl and I was like, oh, this girl, she did that, let me try it, right? But it did not turn out how I expected it to look. Like, this is probably one of my least favorite looks, but the fact that I did it, I went through the whole entire video, I was like, yo, I'm gonna have to edit this and post it because it is what it is. Like, I always say, I'd rather just sit down and wing my looks better than planning it. Like, I planned this look and it did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out, but it's not bad. I just it didn't turn out the way I expected it to turn out, you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and smoke that red eyeshadow. Like, I'm just burgundy, reddish, whatever, under my water lash line. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and smoke that out. Y'all, I don't even know what to say. Like, it's a pretty look, I guess. So now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop X Makeup Shayla highlighter, and this is in the shade this is which one is this? Let me check real quick. Okay, so this is the loose powder highlighter and booming. Y'all, this highlighter kind of reminds me of the Becca highlighter in Topaz. You guys, super flawless, and it's super affordable. Like, I feel like this is a dupe for it, but that's my opinion. I don't know, I feel like it is because I use the Becca highlighter a lot, and this is like literally right on point with that Becca highlighter. So now I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil, and this is in Kylie, well, this is the Kylie Jenner Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade True Bound K, and I went ahead and just put this all over my lips. I was actually gonna use a lipstick, but then, I mean, not lipstick, lip gloss, but then I ended up doing this, and I thought this was prettier. This is more of like a nighttime look than a daytime look, in my opinion. So now I'm gonna set where set everything up with my Pixie setting spray, you guys, and this is it for this makeup, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So also, I popped in the Cocoa Lashes in Stila before I forget. So now we're gonna jump into the hair, and you guys, I am rocking this beautiful hair from Nadula Hair. Now, you guys know I've worked with Nadula Hair on my channel already, and I do love their hairs. The first one I did was like straight, and this is curly. The curly girl, I had 4 bundles, and I only used 3 bundles. So I have 1 extra bundle just laying around, not needing some company. How about that? So yeah, so the hair, I'm talking so fast that I forgot what the hell I was gonna say. But yeah, you guys, this hair is bomb. Like, you guys see how big it is? Like, it is super big, and then when I wet it, it goes down, and then it's beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. So like I said, I'm rocking Nadula Hair, and this is their Brazilian curly hair, and I have in 4 bundles, 20, 22, 24, and another 24-inch with a 20-inch closure. You guys know I do not like closures like that, but this time I was like, you know what? Closures are actually easier to bleach and pre-pluck, so I was like, I could use another closure. And y'all, I'm liking closures nowadays. I feel like it's less work because it's already a lot of work making the wig, so I feel like closure and frontal, it's like more work when you have to pluck and make it look freaking natural and stuff. So I went with the closure, and I'm glad I did. Yeah, I'm not crazy for curly hair. I really am not. I still love my straight hair, but this curly hair is really bomb, like bomb. I didn't even get that much shedding, surprisingly. Like, Ali Pearl hair, I got a little bit more shedding than this one. So yeah, that's a plus. So yeah, you guys, so this is it for this Get Ready With Me, okay? I'm gonna just let y'all go. You see all that? Like, why I gotta be extra? Like, I don't even know what I was doing. But per usual, I love you guys so much. Now, Pendasana, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!